Greetings, welcome. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the April 20th, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time interview that is happening. So if you have any questions at all about hybrids, about embodied starseeds, about what it's like awakening and having memories and going through life and just, then you'll want to make sure you tune in. You'll want to make sure you submit all those questions beforehand, because Medicine Fam Dave, myself, Altia, Light Codes by Allah, Sarah Breskman Cosme, and Mina the Andromedan are all coming together to share our own personal experiences about what it has been like for us. And we all have unique ways and different journeys that we have traveled, and I'm sure that at least one of them will resonate with you. So you won't want to miss it. You'll want to make sure you submit your questions because we're going to dive deep, guys.